Multicultural Weeks at APU are week-long celebrations held throughout the semester. Each week is a celebration of cultures from around the world brought to life by APU students. From performances to sharing local cuisines, students from diverse backgrounds come together to showcase and learn about each other's traditions and customs. The opening parade. Each week begins with a dazzling display of vibrant and energetic performances, marking the start of a journey toward deeper cultural understanding. When night falls, the excitement builds with music night, dynamic beats, and captivating performances fill the air. The grand finale is an awe-inspiring showcase of talent, featuring breathtaking performances, stunning fashion shows, and compelling drama. APU Multicultural Weeks, where unity meets diversity. Together, we create a world beyond borders.